Hello. So this is just a very quick video to demonstrate why Gitpod is a great solution for Laravel development. As Develo, we're a web development agency. So this is our home website. It's built on Laravel. If I want to work on this site to make some changes, then what I'd normally have to do is I'd have to clone the repository onto my local machine. I'd have to set up a database server, a web server. I may use MAMP, I may use Docker. It's all going to take time. So what Gitpod allows us to do is to really reduce that time. So once you've got the Gitpod browser button installed, you'll get a opening Gitpod button on your GitHub repositories. So this is our Laravel project. I click Gitpod open. What that'll do then, it will create a new workspace just for this task that I want to do. So for example, on this task, what I want to do is just add a banner to our Hiver packages page because we've got a Black Friday offer. So normally I haven't got anything set up on this laptop, so it would take me a while to kind of get that set up, maybe an hour, 2 hours, wouldn't be uncommon. So what Gitpod then allows us to do is it configures a cloud instance, so we can then work on the project in the cloud instead of developing it locally. So you get you can either use a VS Code browser editor, which I'm using here, or you could open in PHP Storm and a desktop application. So what that's doing then, it's open 3 tasks. First one is just installing Laravel. The next one is starting npm watch and build tasks. And then we've just got a MySQL PHP server running. So once Laravel's installed, which it is now, and the watch task has finished, we can then open the website. We can open in a simple browser here, or I can open in a full new tab. So then what we've got is got a full development version of the website. I can then edit the files, I can see the changes, I can test the changes are working as expected. So what I want to do, and add an image here. So I can just find that page. I'll find it now. Okay, so I can just find the page, find the place I want to do change around here. Justify. Okay, and then I can just add my image. Okay, so what I want to do, I want to also upload a new graphic. So I can just browse to public images. It's Magenta related, so I can then upload my image. So I want to add that image. I can then just literally drag and drop to here, rename it. Okay, and then I can drop that in here. So it's public. Where did I put it? Public. So images. Images Magento, and then the file name. Okay, so then I can then view the site, see how that looks, see if I'm happy with it. Check the site. Obviously, it doesn't respond, so I need to add some CSS to make that respond. Once I'm happy with the changes, I can then go to the source control, add the file change, add the image, commit that, and then the change will be live on the website. So I've been able to test, I've been able to use the local development of Laravel. I haven't had to do any setup. It's just ready to go. So anybody in the company can do that. We don't have to then waste any time with local setup. So yeah, hope you like the demo, and any questions, drop me a message, Twitter, LinkedIn, GitHub, anywhere. Cool.